Attention, standards, attention. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Good morning to all. I am Tahania from first standard A. Wishing you all a very cheerful morning. Let us start our day with the prayer of Supreme Authority. First, I would like to invite Sham Herin for prayer. Namaskaram. I am Isha Meherin, first A in Najat English Medium School. നന്മരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. സ്നേഹരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. നന്മരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. സ്നേഹരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. ബുദ്ധിയും വിശുദ്ധിയും സ്വഭാവശുദ്ധിയും ഭവഭക്തിയും വിവേകവും തരേണമേ ദയാനിധേ. ബുദ്ധിയും വിശുദ്ധിയും സ്വഭാവശുദ്ധിയും ഭവഭക്തിയും വിവേകവും തരേണമേ ദയാനിധേ. നന്മരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. സ്നേഹരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. നന്മരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. സ്നേഹരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. ഈ കലാലയം നമുക്ക് നിത്യവും വസിച്ചിടാം. എത്രയും മനോജ്ഞമായി സ്വഗേഹമായി ഭവിക്കണം. ഈ കലാലയം നമുക്ക് നിത്യവും വസിച്ചിടാം. എത്രയും മനോജ്ഞമായി സ്വഗേഹമായി ഭവിക്കണം. നന്മരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. സ്നേഹരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. നന്മരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. സ്നേഹരൂപിയായ ദൈവമേ നിനക്കു വന്ദനം. നന്ദി. Thank you, Shamarin. Next, I would like to invite Shahjanisa for pledge.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Shahjanisa. Next, I would like to invite Niha Fatima for welcome speech. Good morning to our respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. A very warm welcome to our assembly. I am so happy to see you together in the school assembly. A big thanks to each and everyone present for our program. Thank you. Thank you, Niha Fatima. Next, I would like to invite Niha Fatima for news at a glance. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my old friends. Good morning. പ്രധാന വാർത്തകൾ വായിക്കുന്നത് മിൻഹ ഫാത്തിമ. ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് എ. വാർത്തകൾ ദൈത്യപ്പെടുന്നു. സർക്കാരിന് പരിക്കില്ലാതെ മോനം വില്ലേജ് റിപ്പോർട്ട്. നിയമസഭ കയ്യാങ്കളി കേസ് തള്ളാം കേരളം സുപ്രീം കോടതിയിൽ. സ്വർണ്ണക്കടത്ത് 2 പേര് അറസ്റ്റിൽ. അയോധ്യ അവലോകനം നടത്തി മോദി. സ്പോർട്സ് വാർത്തകൾ. എൽജിയത്തിനെതിരെ റൊണാൾഡോ. വാർത്തകൾ അനുസരിച്ചു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം. Thank you, Minha. Next, I would like to invite Fatima Nima for quote for the day.
I am Fatima Nima. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Aristotle. The best education for the best is the best education for all. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Fatima Nima. Next, I would like to invite Muhammad Naheem for thought of for the day.
Good morning, everybody. I am Muhammad Naeem. Success. Success is like a train. It has several compartments. Hard work, focus, luck, etc. But leading all those is the engine of confidence. Success is found in your daily routine. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Muhammad Naheem. Next, I would like to invite Aisha Nima for speech.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about my school. My name is Aisha Nima. I am studying in first A. My school name Najat English Medium School. My school located in a very nice place. It has big and very beautiful building. It has white and airy classroom. My school large playground. It has big library. All of your teachers kind and helpful. I love my school. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha Nima. Next, I would like to invite Rifa Fatima for words for the day.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I am Rifa Fatima. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all. Today I will speak words for the day. Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. She talent, E-elegant, E-awesome, she charming, she helpful, E-efficient, R-receptive. Thank you.
Thank you, Rifa Fatima. Next, I would like to invite Isaac K. Word of thanks.
Honorable principal, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends, a very warm and cheerful good morning to all. I would like to thank all of you, wishing all you a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Isa. Next, I would like to invite Lamiyam Yusaniam National Anthem. Usan Assembly dispersed. Thank you, Ashanuma. Next, I would like to invite Rifa Fatima for words for the day. Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I am Rifa Fatima, respected principal. Again, A Halsa, C charming, H helpful, E efficient, R receptive. Thank you.
Parents and my dear friends, and a very warm and cheerful good morning to all. I would like to thank all of you. I wish you all a nice day. Thank you.
Good morning, Najat. Dear friends, Today's assembly conducted by the students of first years was one of the best assemblies we have ever seen for the last 23 days. So I would like to congratulate all the students, those who have participated in today's assembly, and I would like to thank all the parents for giving them a great support in preparation. And I thank class teacher and everyone, those who participated in today's assembly. It was very nice. Thank you all. And children were in uniform, and even some of them were in uh, ID card also. Very nice. Thank you all. I'm so happy today. So let's watch the upcoming assemblies also. We are moving to the lower classes, first standard, LKG, UKG, like that. So in the coming days, we are expecting some more very good performances from the students. Thank you. Have a nice day.